Welcome to my channel about vision robotics and embedded systems. This video is focused on my ESP32 right here in combination with a SV90 servo motor, which is supported by Visiotechniek. And here are two displays, and the idea is that the angles will be shown in these displays. Last time I connected everything, but I still have to program it. That might be a challenge, because this is one program and this is already done in another. Well, one of them anyway, so first I have to implement both and then see if they can work together. Anyway, let's go to screencast and see how things work out. What you clearly can see in the display code, which is of course about the 7 segment displays, is that everything is still only defined for this display. So what I need to do is not viewing it, but editing it. Going to the top. And then I have to define everything for the second LED. Or not LED, yeah. These are LEDs, but it is a display. So how do I exactly do that? GPIO assigning, and then so let's copy this one and paste. This one can go, but which one is it anyway? Now I have to look right here as well as right here. So GPIO 18 is going to the top. Where is 18? By the looks of it, it is here. It is this wire, which corresponds to this wire, corresponding to this one. And that is corresponding to, for the other display, this LED, which is this wire, ends up to I need a magnifying glass. It's really small. And that is 35. So this will be 35. But how do I distinguish? No, that's not correct. Insert. This is working. So this is the second 7 segment display. And this is correct. So now this is one definition, 35, which I also need to do here. So this is blink GPIO. Is this correct? No, I don't. I need another one, obviously, because blink GPIO is defined 18. This is another one. So I need to make up for it, which means I define it as 8. GPIO underscore 8 is 35. GPIO 35. Which also needs to be done here. Eight. And then the control. And then here's some work. But how to do that exactly, I'll think about it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification if you haven't already done so. You can support via PayPal, and if you are a patron or a Ko-fi member, then thank you so much. If you're not yet, please join me on either Patreon or Ko-fi and get access to the full video. This is obviously going to be continued, so for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.